Okay, so this is our first topic, our first lesson today. Okay, introduction to word processing. And we are going to deal with how to create tables, okay, or insert tables into a document. Then we'll also talk about how to convert text into tables. And the last thing we are going to do is how to resize your table. So these are the three practicals that you are going to execute in this room. I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Okay, so when we say table, what is the meaning of table? Tables. Tables. What is the meaning of table? Yes. What do you understand about tables? You are, for example, you are moving out from this room, and on your way home, you met someone, a girl from different school. Okay, and fortunately for that girl, they were taught tables in computing, and that this girl could not understand the meaning of table the teacher taught, and she met you on your way home, okay, or she met you on your way home and asked you, sister, I don't understand tables. We taught us tables, how to play tables in our school. I don't understand it. And fortunately for you too, you were taught tables that day. So how are you going to explain the meaning of tables to the girl? Yes. What do you understand about tables? Yes. Tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Yes. Watch it. Watch the tables.
Is the arrangement of boxes in columns of rows?
They are made up of boxes. What are boxes? They are not made up of boxes. They are made up of cells. Tables are made up of cells. So, what is the intersection of a cell? If tables are made up of cells, and it is true, tables are made up of cells. Because this is a cell, right?
Yes.
This is also a cell.
Yes.
This is a cell.
Yes.
This is a cell.
Yes. Yes.
So tables are made up of cells. And what is the intersection of a cell? Yes, intersection of a cell is called. There's what the intersection of cell. Is what? Yes, Elder. Intersection of cell. Moses. No. Someone. Rows and columns. Clap for it. So intersection, the intersection of a cell is rows and columns. So intersection of rows and columns gives us a cell. How is that? So a row and a column gives us a cell. So when you say tables, tables are made up of rows and columns. And they are frequently used to organize, okay, and present information such as text, They are used to organize. They are frequently used to organize and present information, okay, in the form of a text or numerical data, which is numbers. Obviously, you can organize and present information in tables in the form of numerical data, which is numbers. So I can decide to do this. So this, okay, has been presented in the form of numerical data, numbers. And you can also use tables to present, okay, in the form of text. That's what I'm saying. So now, tables are made up of rows and columns that are frequently used to organize and present information in the form of text and numerical data. Even it can be in visual form. I hope it's clear. So now let's start with our first practical. How to insert a table in a document. Okay. So how can a user insert a table into a document? How are you going to insert a table into a document? Yes. Okay, so the first step for you is you place the insertion point on any area in the document where you want the table to appear. You place the insertion point, the one blanket. So you put the insertion point on any area in the document where you want your table to appear. So if I want my table to appear in this side, I will just bring my insertion point here. And how are you going to bring the insertion point to an area in the document? By double clicking, okay, in that particular section. So if I want to bring my insertion point here, I'll double click, which is left. Then it will come. You double click, 1, 2, it will come. 1, 2, it will come. Have you seen it? Yes. So I want my table to appear in this area of the document. Then that's the first step. Then the second step, you navigate and click on the insert tab. So there is the insert tab. You click on it. Have you seen it? Yes. Then you click on the table command or the table icon. You normally say icon because it's an icon. It's an icon. Have you seen it? Yes. Then you click on the table icon. That is the third step. So I'll click on the table icon. Have you seen it? Then you hover to select the number of rows and columns you desire or you want. You hover on it, on the table, okay, to select. So I'm hovering. And I'm hovering to select the number of rows and columns I desire. Okay. So this where the tables are, because the insertion point was here. Obviously, so this is how to insert a table to a document. It will document, maybe I do maybe a person table schema. And when I say one place insertion point, I should be a person again table solution. Obviously, so that is it. So I'll call 4 people to come and execute this for you. Okay. I think I'll come in. Start. Just insert the table. See, not too Okay, clap for it. So you hover and select the number of rows and columns. Then after you left click on the mouse. Okay, well done. Okay, clap for him. Okay, Lauren. Just click on B. Now on the inside. Yes. Okay, clap for him. Then, for you that, come and handle it. Okay, clap for him. So now we are moving to how to resize the table. So now the table has already been created. Okay, so now we are going to resize it. Either we are going to resize the rows or the columns. I hope it's clear. So what are the steps to resize an existing table? What are the steps? Roger, you are the first step to resize the table.
Place the cursor on the row or column how to resize.
Place the cursor.
On the row or column how to resize.
Okay. Okay. Bravo. The second step. Keep. Then you highlight it. Look. Yes. How are you going to resize your table? Frederica. Yes, Selena.
Click the layout tab. Click the layout tab.
Click the layout tab. Are you sure? We are resizing our table.
To resize it. You long press and drag to resize it.
You press and drag what?
The part you rest the cursor. The part you rested the
The
cursor.
part you rest the cursor. So which part are you going to rest the cursor? If you are told to resize your table.
On the line.
On the rows or
On the line.
Which line?
On the rows or columns.
So, okay, see now. That's the last part. So So placing the cursor or resting the cursor on either the column line or the row line. That's the first step. So you rest the cursor, place the mouse cursor on either the row column. So I've rest the cursor on the column. How is clear? The row line. So after resting this cursor on it, you see this side. Okay? And either you are going to drag it to your left or your right. Okay? Depending on how you want your table to look like. So I've resized it. So the main thing here is rest the cursor on either the row line or the column line. Okay, so that you can resize it. Have you understand it? So you rest it, it will change to different arrow. So I have resized the table. How is clear? Okay. Another come in, execute in resizing. This one to our quick for people to execute it. Okay, clap for him. Sample. Just pay attention. Where's the cursor on it? You rest, you drive to your left or your right. Rest and drag. Drag. Bring it down or up. Okay, Sam. Where is it? Okay, clap for her. Okay. Okay, clap for her. So that's how to resize an existing table. Obviously, any question?
No question.
Alright, so let's move to how to convert tests. How to convert tests. So, That's how important. Just pay attention and watch.
Included from time.
Table. So the first step for you to do is to highlight the text. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Then you navigate and click Insert tab. Okay. And the third step, click on the table icon. How is clear?
Yes.
Then a pop-up menu will display. You select convert text to table. Then you put this on tabs. That's it. So this is our table. How is clear understood? Yes.
Not the highlighted one.
Why is it?
Why is it still highlighted?
Oh, I can remove it. I hope it's clear. Okay.
Hey.
So I am going back again. So the first step for you to convert text to table is highlight the text. Highlight the text you want to convert to table. How is clear? So for me, I want to convert all these into table. Then after highlighting, you navigate and click on the Insert tab. How is clear?
Yes.
Then you click on the table icon. A pop-up menu will display. Okay, and you select convert text to table. Have you seen it? Then you click on the tabs. But this one is not necessary. I mean, when you are writing as read. Then you click on OK and you are good to go. How is that? Okay. So that's it. Moses.
Ẹ̀hún ni. Hey, my bad.
Hey, clap for him. Okay. Clap for her. See? Okay, clap for him. Watch it. Okay, clap for her. Right. Come. Okay, clap for her. Focus on her. Okay, clap for him. Okay, last person. Frederica, come. Frederica, come. Okay, clap for her. Okay, last person.